Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, your hopefully your favorite daily doodle channel. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the super fun hippo goddess Tawaret, but we're going to draw the version from the show Moon Knight. All right, so this is actually a request from this awesome subscriber right here. So thank you so much for leaving that request for me. And if you have anything you would like to learn how to draw, let me know in the comments below, and I would love to show you how to draw it. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with an eye. So we're gonna make a little eye like this, and I'm gonna put a little circle in there, and I'm gonna color everything except for that little circle in black. So I'm just sketching with pen, but feel free to use pencil. That way, if you make any mistakes, you can erase it easily. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of put a little line above that eye and below that eye. And I'm gonna do a little bit of the shape of the head right here. And from there, we can do one cute little ear, and the inside of the ear is going to be like this. Alright, and we can continue with a little bit of a bumpy head, and the side of the face here. And come on down a little bit. Over a little bit, and maybe about right here we can do a little nostril and color it in all dark. I'm going to put a little line right there, and then I'm going to do a little bit of a curved line right here, and we can do the other nostril and do a little line. And then we can curve on down, and then we can kind of do a little itty bitty curve up, and then connect right here. So you can see it's kind of starting to take shape. And I'm going to bring this line up a little bit more, kind of give a little bit of a smile. And I'm going to do a little line here. And I'm going to color this mouth part in all dark. Alright, so next let's do the other eye. So I'm going to try to make it on the same, so I'm going to try to make that eye on like the same height as the other one, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And do a little circle right there, color everything in all dark except for that little circle. So very similar to what we did with the first eye, only this one's on a little bit of a side. And we can bring down a bit more of that face shape. And I'm going to do a little line above and just beneath the eye, same as we did on the other side. And we need another cute little ear. And I'm going to do the inside, same as we did before. I'm going to thicken up these lines here, just above the eye. And underneath here, the bottom of the mouth, and do a little curve, and come on up, like that. Okay, so far I think pretty cute. Alright, so right here, you can come on down a little bit more. And same on this side. And let's start with the headpiece. I'm going to put a line right here, a bit of a curved top here, and a little bit coming down this way, and coming down this way. Now up top right here, we're going to do a very big curve. It's going to be like a circle, but not quite a full circle. And we're going to do a little circle inside that shape. And right here, we're going to follow that almost full circle. And inside right here, I'm going to put a couple lines kind of pointing toward that inner circle. Okay, and I'm going to put another little circle in there. And guess what? Another curve. So it's quite the headpiece. And I'm going to put all kinds of lines coming down this way. And I'm going to curve up again, follow along that same shape, and right up top here, I'm going to draw upward, another line going up, another one going up, and another one going up. So it's very top of the headpiece, but we don't really get to see the full headpiece because, well, it gets cut off here, and that's okay. All right, so we can draw downward. We're bringing this piece downward. And we're gonna take it to like right here and give it a little bit of a point right there. And then we can bring down some of these like beaded pieces of like hair. And on the bottom here, so we can do like these little, I'm doing some little squares and like a little circle, just these little beaded pieces. So we can do a pile of these. So I'll quickly do a few now. If it seems like I'm going pretty fast right now, it's because I'm trying to go pretty fast. Just because if I kind of show you how to do one, then I feel like you kind of know how to do all of them because they're all pretty much the same. So I'm just doing a pile. But if I'm going kind of too fast for you, then pause and you can kind of go backwards. Just trying to get that part done. And let's add some pieces here too. So I was just kind of doing a square, another square, and a circle. And mine are kind of looking pretty messy here now because I am rushing. But you certainly take your time, do a good job, and no rush. And of course, you can add more of those hair pieces, you can add less, it's totally up to you. All right, so down here, and I don't know, maybe I will add more later, I don't know. All right, so down right here, I'm gonna do a curve shape right here, like that, and put a line there, and a line there, and a curved line here, like that. And then I'm gonna put two little curves here, almost like two little brackets, and join them here by the bottom. And then this part of the outfit is kind of like a bug. So think of it as like a beetle's back. And maybe that's what it actually is. If you know what this part is actually called, let me know in the comments. All right, so now I'm going to curve on up, and on this side, I'm gonna extend that line past this part, and I'm gonna do the same over here too. So what we do to one side, we're doing to the other side. And then right here, I'm extending a line, and same there. Like that. And I'm going to do the same over here. So I'm going to do a little curve right here. And now let's do some shoulder spots here. And this is going to come on down and come on down over here. And I'm going to curve. Same on this side too. And I'm going to come on down on this side. And I'm going to draw a straight line down and another straight line down. And I'm going to do another one and another one. I'm going to put a sideways, not a sideways line, but a line here on the side, another one, and just a few more. So this part here, well, not even just in this part, but in lots of spots here on the outfit, there are all kinds of different symbols, and I'm not really going into that great a detail, so I'm not really doing all those symbols, but this is just a little sketch, a daily doodle. All right, so now let's do a bit of a puffy shoulder here, a bit of a puffy shoulder on this side, and right here you can continue with that bit of a puffy fabric. And same over here, of course, and you can bring down the sides, and same over here. And I'm just going to put a line here and over here. All right, so I think, actually I'm going to put a couple more bits of hair here, but these ones are going to be kind of behind the shoulder, so we're not doing the beaded bottoms. And put a few over here. All right, so I think we're done our sketch right now, and I'm going to start coloring. All right, folks, we are finished our doodle for today. Let me know in the comments what you think and what you would like to learn how to draw next. And I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.